In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mock API responses on GitHub Actions container tests. Container tests can become flaky when they depend on a live API, so we'll spin up a WireMock server as a service container beside the test container to return predefined responses. Let's start by opening GitHub and creating the workflow file. Over in your repositories on the left, click your preferred repository. Above the file list on the Code tab, click Add File, and from the dropdown, choose Create New File. In the Name Your File field above the editor, enter the workflow path so GitHub knows where the file belongs. Next, we'll add the mock and container setup. Paste the contents of the supply.yaml file, shown on my screen, into the editor. I'll also drop this in the description or pinned comments for easy access. The container key runs the test inside Node, while Services starts WireMock beside it and makes mock-API its hostname. The workflow code registers a predefined response through WireMock's admin API, requests it from the job container, and fails if the status or the JSON body differs from what we expect. Now let's commit the workflow. In the editor's upper right corner, click Commit Changes. In the commit message field, enter a short description of what you just added. In the dialog that appears, select Commit directly to the main branch. Then, at the bottom of the dialog, click Commit Changes to save the file into your repository. With the workflow saved, it's time to run the container test. Under the repository name, click Actions. In the Workflows list on the left, click the workflow you just created. Above the Runs list on the right, click Run Workflow, and in the dropdown that opens, click the green Run Workflow button to kick off the job. Finally, we'll confirm the mocked response came through. In the Runs list, click the newest mock API response in Container Run. Under Jobs on the Run summary, click the mock API job to open its log. Inside the job log, expand the mock and API response step to see what happened. Confirm the step shows pass, container test received the mocked API response, and that the job has a green check mark next to it. That successful GitHub Actions run proves the node test ran inside its job container, called the WireMock service container, and received the predefined order response instead of contacting a live API. Congratulations, you've done it!